Hey everybody, just thought I'd throw together this quick video about how to repair a broken sprinkler like feeder line or whatever. When this post was put in, they broke the hose, and so it's been leaking for a long time, and I just discovered it. They had poured the concrete right over this. So what you got to do is find where the hose is bad. And the reason I found it was I was replacing all that landscaping fabric and cleaning up the rock, and noticed this whole area by the house was just soaked. And sure enough, it had been leaking out this side and out here, and just, weeds were growing everywhere because of it. So anyway, you have to cut out the bad section, and then you replace it with some new. And you can get, this stuff is pretty standard, so this poly drip water hose stuff, you just cut it. You get a couple of inline couplers, and these are super simple. I'm going to show you on that bad section of pipe here. What happens is you turn this coupler all the way up until it stops. Now I'm not going to do it because I don't want it attached to this bad hose, but you jam that coupler. Sorry, that jet's going overhead. They never do that. And anyway, you jam that in there, and then once it's in there, you just screw this down all the way until it bottoms out. And now you've fixed your bad section of hose. Super simple. The worst part of this is, of course, finding where the leak is and then having to clean up the mess afterwards, because this is not pretty, but it is what it is. All told, a 50-foot section of this is about $8 or $9. The couplers are a couple dollars a piece. The most expensive thing was that tool. That tool is $25. And you really need something like this. You can use it if you have some for your car, like a mechanic's one, to cut hoses. You can use that, but this is just basically to cut that hose, and then you can punch lines in here for drip lines or whatever. I don't know how to do that, and I don't care. I don't need more plants. Hope this video helped somebody, and I'm sorry that you're watching this, because this probably means that your sprinkler system lines are leaking. I'd say have fun, but it's not fun. Have a good day.